Hi everybody, Jared here with the Florida Building Inspection Group, and today we're going to go over our repair request builder for our agents. We're going to talk about where it is, how you use it, why you want to use it, and a whole bunch more. So let's get started. When you guys get an email from us and it directs you to this page where it shows you all the reports that we've created for that home that were specifically ordered by the client, you'll first want to go into your residential report by clicking View Report. This will take you to your actual full report. It has all the information on it, the good, the bad, the otherwise, so on and so forth. But today we're not going to worry about all this stuff. We're only going to worry about the things that you guys are asking for repairs on or a credit for. So this tool that we have called the Repair Request Builder can be found up here at the upper right hand corner of the report where it says Report Tools. You simply click on that and then navigate down to where it says Repair Request Builder. Once you do that, you'll be brought to the page where you can see all the different items that we found as deficiencies during the inspection. And they are labeled in the different categories that we have, the low, medium, and high priorities. From here, you'll be able to select the items that you need to have repaired or the items that you're requesting a credit for, and then combine them all into one nice and neat PDF that you can then send off to the seller's agent in order to get those things taken care of. So first, at the top left-hand corner here, it will say document name. It automatically defaults to repair request list. You can go ahead and customize this to say for your client's name or however you guys want to add it in there to make it more your own and more for the client specifically. So you can change that up to however you want it. Down below that, you have a filtering system where it will show either the original report order of all the items, the severity category, if it's a recommendation, the dollar amount high and low after you guys actually assign that. So you can sort these out a little bit easier. Below that, you have some more sorting tools. You can either see all of the recommendations and defects that we have, the medium to high priority recommendations, or just your high priority recommendations. This will allow you to just kind of navigate it a lot quicker, especially for those bigger properties with a lot more issues that are found on those areas, so that you can go to those potential issues much faster. In the middle here, you can put any kind of text you want. If you have blurbs that you always put onto your repair requests, such as licensed contractors only, whatever, kind of information you guys want to use for your PDFs, you can put that in there so that it's custom for you and for your brokerage. Over here on the right-hand side, we have the total credit requested. If you guys are requesting a credit, it just keeps a running tab for you up at the top. Sometimes there are limits to what the sellers are willing to pay, so you can kind of just keep track of it really quickly and easily through that running total. Then you have your preview and your create. We're going to get to these here in a little bit, but let's start showing you how you actually select the items that you want to have on as a repair or for a credit that you're asking for. So let's go ahead and just pick a few at random. We're going to say we want the downspout that is discharging too close to the home to be corrected. When you want to select a specific item, you have to click on the check mark, and then you'll see you can either ask for a credit or you can add a comment to it. Our report information will be included on the actual repair request that you're going to be sending. But if you have specific comments, such as extend gutter downspout away from home as needed, you can do that. You can click here to add it to the repair request tool, or you can replace the request tool information as well. You can just go ahead and add those in. It throws in a little blurb for you really quickly there. If you say, so that's if you want to actually ask for something specific. Say you just want a credit for something, and we're going to say for the tile here, because you can't find the exact tile, or they don't have the exact tile. So you're going to say, okay, um, instead of you trying to track it down for us, we're just going to ask you to give us $50 in credit for that missing tile, because it's a very high-end tile. We're not sure we're going to be able to find it. And again, when you go up to the top here, you'll be able to see that $50 has been added. Uh, Obviously, one tile is probably not going to cost that, especially that kind, but this is just for kicks and giggles today. Now we have our high priority stuff here. Okay, we're going to want to select that for sure. You can add in your comment saying, you want an electrical contractor to take care of this, whatever verbiage you guys want to add. We'll add the extension wire being used, or cord being used as permanent wiring. And then we have some biological growth that was found at the time of the inspection. That biological growth looks to be that it tested wet as well. The other cool thing about this tool is you can actually zoom in when you're doing this repair request, and you can see where the inspector is actually referring to. You can see that it's tested wet at the time of the inspection. This appears to be by a garage door, by the track there. So we're going to say, okay, we want to select that, and we want mold inspector to test and assess. And we'll just add that in there. And that's what we're going to do for now. So again, we didn't really ask for a lot on this inspection, but just for your viewing pleasure, we'll go ahead and click on the preview. This is going to show you what the final version of this repair request is going to look like. You can see the name of it here, where we added client name. It has the address already added on there. When it was completed is already on there as well. The meaning when this repair request was completed, so they can see you did it on this day, so on and so forth. Then you can see your comments that you put in there. Like I said, if you're going to be doing anything specifically for your brokerage, specific wording that you want to have in there, you can put that in that area again, which is here in the comment box. Then we go down and we can see the items that we've selected. We can see the wording that we've requested in there as well, the credit that we requested for this one. All the pictures from the actual inspection are in there. If you send it on this online version, they'll be able to open up the report and see the pictures in a much larger fashion there. If you send it as a PDF, they obviously won't be able to zoom in, but you have that option here. So everything's there. All of our wording is there. The total credit requested is there. All good. If we want to view it as a PDF before we send it off as a PDF, you can go down to the bottom right-hand corner, and it says View as PDF down here. And then it will open it up as a PDF, and it's the same information, just in, again, PDF format, which I know is preferable for a lot of real estate agents out there. So after you're happy with it, you previewed it, you're ready to go, then you go ahead and hit create. Once you hit create, it'll say repair request has been created. You can view it or copy it from the link here. You can also just send it directly as an email or a text message straight to the agent that you want to send it to. You can formulate your own email here, the subject line, who you want to send it to, all that stuff's there for you. Or again, you can go ahead and click on the link and you can see it here. You can copy that link, send it in your own email if you want to, not a problem. Again, you can view it as a PDF down here at the bottom right, and you can go ahead and change, or not change it, but take it and send it off that way. If you click Edit Repair RRB, which is Repair Request Builder, then you'll be able to make changes to that and then send it off again. So that's how you use the tool. Remember, new or old before you buy, call the FBI.